Richard at MagnaFlow, and we're here working on Kate the Jeep. Ali's behind the camera there, and we're going to do some work here on the Jeep to get it up to speed on what's going on with the exhaust system. We got a V8, got a whole bunch of cool stuff going on with that, but there's a lot of underpinnings here that have been modified from stock. So we've got a universal xMOD part going in to see just what we can get out of the system and to keep up with all of Ali's mods. This is a fully tunable and of course upgradable system as he moves along. So modular is the key word. Let's take a look.
What's up? So you can see they've already gotten started on the Jeep behind me. Basically, they're removing a lot of the items that we had installed over at Autotech and are really kind of starting from scratch. I'm not even sure we're keeping the stock cats. So ultimately, we're going to end up with a very tight-fitting clearance exhaust system, which I'm stoked about because we don't have a lot of room under there, and it's going to be nice to make sure that we have enough room to clear our front drive shaft and everything else that's going to be going in. So super thankful to MagnaFlow and can't wait to see what we end up with.
So they're two 6-inch speakers. Like that, it's not.
So we're done. Nice. So here we've got it installed. So this is the quietest configuration for the xMOD exhaust system. We've got the resonator on there. This will give us the greatest contrast in what we were used to before. The exhaust looks so pretty. It's going to be a shame to have it on the bottom of the vehicle out of sight, but you can see here they make such a beautiful system. Cannot wait to hear it. What's up, guys? So I just wrapped up with Rich over at MagnaFlow, and the team over there installed the xMOD exhaust system on Kate. And I've got to say, right now it is at its most mild setting. Essentially, we have a resonator that connects to the muffler that keeps the drone completely down. In cabin, I got to say, it's probably the quietest it's ever been. Even prior to the Bruiser conversion, I feel like we're almost back to a more factory experience, and that is so cool because one of the things that was always kind of starting to get on my nerves was the fact that we were like one of the loudest vehicles on the trail, and there's always a time and place for it, but not all the time. So now I have the option of really tuning that. With all that said, there's still some more things that I'm going to be doing in terms of my essential experience with the exhaust. We're going to be utilizing a couple of the pieces that are the adjustments to the xMOD system. This is just the there's a term for it, but it's essentially just a straight pipe off of the resonator. And then we have the opportunity to either cap at the end of the pipe that connects to the resonator, or remove the pipe and the resonator altogether and just cap off the muffler, which would probably be the loudest tone we would get out of the system. I'm excited to see what it all sounds like. I think I've got my options now, when before I was kind of locked into whatever decision I had made. And I think, you know, to start, the rock crawler exhaust system that we utilized from MagnaFlow was great, but you know, there are times where I wish, going out with the family, going out with a big group of friends, that I wasn't taking away from everyone else's experience. And now I won't be, at least not as much as I used to. So super thankful to MagnaFlow for all the time they spent today, and it was a lot of time, and really happy for the experience of checking out the facility, seeing how truly made in the USA it really is. They're fully vertically integrated. It's insane, and I can't wait to show you guys that video, because I have a ton of content, and just, you know, being able to experience my vehicle in a whole new way on the trail. Lot to look forward to. As usual, more to come. Huge thanks to MagnaFlow. Super stoked.